Ninth problem, show that the points 2 comma minus 1 comma 3, 4 comma 2 comma 1 and 3 comma 1 comma 2 are collinear. Here we want to prove this collinear point. So here the given things are OA, OB and OC we have to write in the vectors. So OA vector equal to, we can take this as OA vector as 2i minus j plus 3k, and OB vector is 4a vector plus 3j vector plus k vector, and OC vector is 3a vector plus j vector plus 2k vector. Then we want to write AB vector equal to OB vector minus OA vector. So OB vector is here minus of OA vector. So we change the symbol sign here. So the simplification of this one is 2i plus 4j minus 2k. And then we want to find BC vector. BC vector is nothing but OC minus OB. So OC vector is here minus of OB vector. It's nothing but we have to change the symbol here. Then we have to simplify 3 minus 4 and then 1 minus 3. Then 2 minus 1. It's nothing but minus I vector minus 2j vector plus k vector. Then in this vector AB we can take the 2 is common factor there. So if you take 2 here, it will become as, if you take minus 2 as common here, we have minus I minus 2j plus k. It's nothing but BC vector in the bracket. So we can conclude this AB vector is equal to lambda into BC vector. This lambda is nothing but minus 2 here. So a vector equal to some scalar into another vector. We can conclude this AB vector and BC vector are having some scalars there. So the given points are collinear. Tenth sum, if A vector and B vector are unit vectors and theta is the angle between them, show that sin theta by 2 equal to 1 by 2 modulus of A vector minus B vector. So 1 by 1 we can find here. The first division we want to prove sin theta by 2 equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of A vector minus B vector. Here the two vectors are given, A vector and B vector are unit vectors. So we can take this as modulus of A vector is 1 and modulus of B vector is also 1. And then we want to take this modulus of A vector minus B vector the whole square. So expand by the formula A minus B the whole square. So A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. So here that this is in the formula A dot B. We have the 2A dot B. That A dot B formula is A vector modulus of A vector modulus of B vector into cos theta. And then we have to substitute the formula, that values what is given here and all these two. So here 1 plus 1 minus 2 into, even here also 1 into 1 into cos theta. So 2 minus 2 cos theta. Take 2 as common here. So 2 into 1 minus cos theta. And in the trigonometrical formula we know that 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. So substitute this value here, 2 sin square theta by 2. We can multiply these two. 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 sin square theta by 2. So modulus of A vector minus B vector the whole square equal to 4 sin square theta by 2. If we are taking square root on both the sides, we have modulus of A vector minus B vector equal to 2 sin theta by 2. So keep this sin theta by 2 here itself, take this 2 to the other side, it will become division. So sin theta by 2 equal to 1 by 2 modulus of A vector minus B vector. Second division we want to prove modulus of A vector plus B vector equal to 1 by 2 equal to 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. Now for this we want to take this modulus of A vector plus B vector the whole square equal to modulus of A vector plus modulus of B vector plus, here we have to take 2A dot B. For this A dot B we have the formula A vector dot B vector into cos theta. So substitute the values here. So here 1 plus 1 Even here also 1 and 1. So 2 into 1 into 1 into cos theta. If we simplify this, we have 2 plus 2 cos theta. Take 2 as common factor here. So 2 into 1 plus cos theta. This 1 plus cos theta can be written as the trigonometrical formula 2 cos square theta by 2. If you multiply these two things, we have 4. So 4 cos square theta by 2. So here on both the sides we have square root. I want to take the square root of the both the sides. So we can have modulus of a vector plus b vector equal to 2 cos theta by 2. We want to take the find the value of cos theta by 2 only. So take this 2 to the other side, it will become as division, so that we got the value cos theta by 2 equal to 1 by 2 modulus of a vector plus b vector. Third division, tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2 is nothing but sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. The value of sin theta by 2 is half into modulus of a vector minus b vector. Cos theta by 2 is nothing but half into modulus of a vector plus b vector. Here I can cancel this half and half. The remaining things we have modulus of a vector minus b vector divided by modulus of a vector plus b vector.